welcome to another week of Pree Dis. The location for this week's episode is Halfway Tree. I'm your host, Michaela Leeanna. Stay tuned for the latest in entertainment and lifestyle. Mandeville was the spot for last weekend's Digicel and Appleton's Carnival on the Road series. Let's check out the highlights.
Everybody fetting powder, everybody getting powder, everybody catching powder. This is how we celebrate. Powder, and you cannot get away. Powder, I'm losing all my complexion.
Record. Me I go set it back to 20 seconds. You see if you can scrape off this while your baby a whine you and put on the credit, but get the whole of this. The whole of this. You gonna get the whole of this.
Moving to the right and four and four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving to the left, everybody. Moving to the left, everybody. Moving to the right, everybody. Moving to the right.
The vibe tonight has been absolutely crazy. Last year we were here in Mandeville in the square, and tonight we're in Willowgate Park, and believe me, the crowds have almost doubled in my opinion. I've seen flags waving endlessly. There's a lot of people here. We're running out of drinks at the bar. We're running out of credit to our thing, so believe me, a great night so far here in Mandeville. Well, it was a fantastic inaugural year for us last year. I don't think we expected this level of response, but we're so happy to have come up with the concept of Carnival on the Road. A lot of times we celebrate Carnival, but it's in Kingston, or we watch it happening in another market. But we were very excited to bring it to our local people because we love party in Jamaica. So we wanted to make sure everybody gets a taste of what else the Caribbean has to offer, and we're very proud to Appleton Special and to Digicel to bring this to the people.
You know the big bang is the powder. And I know that you know that we have double bubble, once you purchase $200 credit or more. Appleton has a great deal at the bars where all you have to do is spend $1,000, you get 2 queues plus a free credit. I mean, that in and of itself is truly amazing. We have a photo booth. We have Ian and Robbie doing painting, face painting. I mean, if you look around the crowd, there are tons of people here that are painted up. They have the jungle fever on their face. They have tiger print on their face. Digicel and Appleton on them arm. So, I mean, the energy and the execution is just truly amazing. But like I said, it's about that powder. And when that powder releases and the people really feel the energy of Carnival, I mean, there's just nothing like it.
Of new highways have opened up across Jamaica, and we have some safety tips for you courtesy of our sponsor Superior Parts Limited.
If you are driving on a highway for the very first time or at any time at all, here are a few tips to help you navigate your way safely. Make sure your brakes, lights, turn signals, steering, transmission and all other parts are working safely. The highway is the worst place to break down. Use your turn signal mirrors and glance at your blind spots frequently. When driving on highways, you should always stay in the furthest lane to the right unless you are passing a slower moving vehicle in front of you. These tips are brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.
Now we're on to our fresh commercial break. A-Game and our music video premiere are coming up next. We'll be right back.